So basically guys, this is what I'll be earning every minute on this new way to mine any coin on Chrome using Google. So let's get started in this video. So as you can see, we have 0.00003796 LTC, and it can be sent to our wallet every day, once a day at 1 o'clock. As you can see basically here, this is what we'll be getting every day, UTC. So let's get started in this video. So basically guys, we are going to head over to the platform Google Console. You search it. Search for Google Console on your browser. Let's wait for it to load up. And as you can see, look for the one with Google Cloud Console, the console.cloud.google.com. Let's click on it and wait for it to open up. So after waiting for it to load up, we'll wait some more, and you have to turn on your desktop sites. If you don't know how to do that, you can click on these 3 dots in your browser. Click on the 3 dots and you click on desktop sites. You tick that checkbox and wait for it to load up again. So after waiting for it to load up guys, let's wait a little more. You choose the email you want to use. Let's wait. I think basically guys, this is a step-by-step tutorial. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe. This Web Review TV, and we'll be reviewing anything that you have so that you don't fall for scam. If you have any website you want us to review, you can check that in the comment. You can write that in the comment section so that I'll check it for you guys so you don't fall for scam. So now we are choosing I'm trying to open a demo. That's what we are going to use for this video. But I'm going to show you guys how you do it. So after doing this, you can basically mine on different phones. So this is a simple and easy way to mine Bitcoin on your phone instead of investing. You just need an internet connection guys, and this Google Cloud. So we are going to agree and continue. Then you choose the country you are, then click on this agree and continue. It's going to auto detect the country you are. So guys, agree and continue. Let's basically wait for it to load up. So guys, after it has loaded, at the top right, we can see a symbol that look like this one that said activate cloud share. This one. Then we click on it. Then you will see a program running at the bottom of the browser. Then you drag from this point up. You see that little dash at the bottom of the browser. You drag it up to fill the screen. So we are waiting for the platform to load up. So basically, after waiting for this cloud share to load up, we can see a pop-up on the screen where it say manage your infrastructure and develop your application for any browser with cloud share. So we're going to click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you start loading up this thing on the screen. Wait for that to load up, and so after watching this far, I think you should give this video a like, smash the red subscribe button, because I'll give you professional updates on content on different crypto and ways to earn money online. We will never promote scam on this website. If you have any website that you want us to do any review for, you can say that in the comment section. We'll review for the website. So it will pop up this thing on your screen, and the first thing you'll be asking is, what do I type? And remember, do not erase anything from that screen. So the first thing you should type is sudo. And don't worry, everything I'm going to type here is going to be in the description or in the comment section. So do it to copy it and type, follow my procedure. So maybe you can come back and rewind to know what I've done. Sudo apt give space updates. After doing it, you hit your enter button on your keyboard. You hit enter button on your keyboard and wait for the code to run. As you can see, it has started running a code on the screen, and let's wait for it to run. So we have seen that it has run finish, and anytime you see this sign of the dollar on the keyboard on the screen, means it wants you to type another thing. So basically the next thing we'll type is sudo give space APT, give space, then upgrade. The first one we typed was update, so this one is, we're gonna type upgrade. You hit enter again and basically wait for it to run. So you're gonna be flowing the file and it say, do you want to continue? At this point you hit Y and press enter, waiting for the code to run. So guys, we are waiting for the code to run and it's gonna take some time, so you have to wait. If you check on the screen, sorry, let me show you guys something. If you check this green, it's going to be showing you your progress, and now it's showing 16%. So let's wait a little longer. So I think I have to fast forward this video at this point so that I won't waste your time. So when it basically, after waiting for it to load up, when it basically gets to 59%, we will see that they want us to type something, and there are some letters there, numbers they say we should choose on the screen. So what we're going to do now is to type 4 on your keyboard. After waiting for it to enter on the screen, you hit enter and wait for it to start running again. So I think I have to pause this video and I'll see you guys later. So guys, after waiting for that green bar to reach 100%, they brought another thing for us to click on. I basically told you guys in the first slide, anytime you see this $sign and the white blink means they need us to type another command into the system. So the next command I'm gonna be typing, they're all going to be in the description, guys. So don't hesitate, guys, to click them. So after hitting enter, it will start again and we'll see what it's going to do. So guys, it's trying to install some packages into the system. So let's see how it goes. So at this point though, we tell you if you want to continue. So at this point you can see, do you want to continue? YLN. So as we did before, click on Y and hit enter. Then it will start again, and as you can see, they say progress. So at this point it starts counting, but this time is going to be faster. Yes, so we've finished that step. So the next step is for us to enter the next code, and remember the code are also in the description of this video, so you can get those code there and start mining free Bitcoin today. Hit enter after pasting the code, and so it starts moving again. Let's wait for it. So basically guys, this is the last step. So in this last step, after pasting this code, do not hit enter. I say it again, do not hit enter. After pasting the last code, do not hit enter. You see it start running on this one. So after it must have run on its own, you will see that symbol there that shows the $sign and MPROC. So this is the point where you will hit enter. After seeing that symbol, you hit enter. It starts running again. So once you see this green, means you are at the edge of start mining on your phone. So basically, let's wait for it to finish and see how it goes, guys. So guys, after seeing this green all over the screen, you will notice that we have passed that round. So the next step is how to configure the miner to start mining the Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency you want to mine. But in this video, we are going to be using the Litecoin cryptocurrency. So we are going to go and search for unmineable.com. After clicking on this link, we're gonna be redirected to this page So all you have to do is just scroll down, scroll to the bottom where you will see get started with our wizard. So you click on it and click on basic mode. You click on CPU. Then we are going to be selecting the token, but in today's video we are going to be using the Litecoin cryptocurrency. And after tapping on it, you're going to see your wallet address. So basically, if you don't know what a wallet address is, you can get that from either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So I have mine here. So I'm going to paste this wallet address and you're going to hit the next button. After hitting this next button, I'm going to show you my referral code in the description. This referral code, you won't be charged anytime you mine anything. So after pasting my referral code, you're going to be directed to this page. So this is the configuration now for your mining. So what you have to do, you switch this from Windows to Linux, the Linux version. So that's what we're going to be using for this mining. You're going to be using the Linux. So you're going to click on it and it's going to show this new type of phase now. So either we copy or you download. So in this video, we're going to be copying this configuration. After copying the configuration, you head back to this Google console and paste the configuration on this browser. Now you paste this configuration and hit enter. So let's see how it goes, guys. So sometimes you have to put this code multiple times so that the system can accept it. So we're going to paste it again and hit enter. We have to paste this code again, but don't worry, guys, it doesn't affect that much, just for a certain time. So guys, after struggling for a little bit, the code has entered. So let's click enter and see the next command. So as you can see, the mining has started, but it's still gonna load. So let's wait for some time and see what is going to load up for us. So guys, it's still loading. So as you are seeing here, you see that they take a 1% fee for every mining you make. A 1% fee. And basically, let's wait for it to load up. Don't think that will take time again. So there are also some things here. These are a list of commands. So in case you want to pause, in case you want to check what you have mined, anything you want to do, if you check here, you will see lists of things you can type to get those things. Like I see the hash rate, pause, resume, result, and connection. So if you type these things on your keyboard, you get what you're looking for. So guys, after that step, when we get back to the unmineable app, if you want to see what you have mined from the Google console, you click on SA address, then tap on it. You type in the address you used for the registration and you hit on search. Then this page is going to pop up where you will see everything you are doing. So this is the statistics for what you have done, and as you can see, there are other ways you can earn money on this platform, and you can turn on auto payout and they'll pay you this amount every day when you have reached that amount. So it's very easy to get. I can do it on different phones with the same configuration. So I think that would be a wrap. So give this video a thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the very next one.